Hi, hello. Myself Prapula Kumar. I'm a lecturer in chemistry. So today I'm discussing the topic the chemical pesticides. So synthesis and technical manufacture and uses of carbamates. So mainly think the topic is carbofuran. It is a class of the carbamate group. So carbofuran, the carbamate is a pesticide ester of heterocyclic hydroxyl derivative of N-methyl carbamic acid. The chemical name is 2,3 dihydro 2,2 dimethyl 7 benzopyranyl methyl carbamate. It is a chemical name of the carbofuran. It is also a ester of heterocyclic hydroxyl derivative and methyl carbamic acid. So for the synthesis, directly we are going to the synthesis manner. Here first we are considering this reaction. So catechol, it is a one of the compound in alcoholic group. So the major benzene ring containing one hydroxyl group present, we call it as it is phenol. If one group, we call it as one group, we call it as phenol, and two groups, there is a two groups are present. Here it is one group, two groups are present here. Here it is two groups are present. These two groups are this catechol. The hydroxyl group in meta position, we call it as resorcinol. In the hydroxyl group present in the para position, we call it as quinol. So here, so alcohol group is very important in this reaction for using 2-methyl allyl chloride. For this reaction, how they are reacting for the elimination of the HCl, this chlorine, the chlorine and hydrogen will be eliminating to get the 2 comma 2 in benzene ring contain 2 methyl allyl phenol. So this is a phenol group and this is allyl group because of allyl group containing carbon to carbon. So this is allyl group. So in this allyl group, so 2 comma 2 methyl allyl phenol should be formed, and then this reaction takes place under the 2 methyl allyl phenol compound to get heat. Upon heating this reaction, again the change in the position at the meta position, if the reaction changes for heating, go through the next slide. For this heating the reaction takes place, the cyclization takes place. Here it is the carbon to oxygen cyclization takes place. Here it is cyclization takes place to get the furanic type of compound benzene fused with a ring of furan with 2 methyl groups. After that we are using methyl isocyanate. Why we call it as a isocyanate? So commonly we write the CH3CON. So it is a cyanide group and CO group commonly we call it. But the change in the position we call it as iso position. This methyl isocyanate, it is one of the incident is in the Bhopal tragedy in on the Hiroshima and Nagasaki is applied for the one of the biggest bomb to kill the so many animals, humans and etc. So it's a Bhopal tragedy. Commonly we call it as a Bhopal tragedy. But in this reaction, there is a no reacting positions under the reaction takes place. Here the hydrogen atom, here there is an hydrogen atom and methyl isocyanate are there. These methyl isocyanates which react with moving, there is a lone pair of electron, go and attack this, directly go and attack the carbon atom. This carbon atom directly attacks whenever the lone pair of electron directly attack this carbon atom to get the compound with the elimination of water. With the elimination of some water should be eliminating. So here this group should be NH and it be shifted 1 comma 2 shift takes place to get this product, and these product are parathion compound, carbamate group of carbofuran, carbofuran with elimination of water. Here in this compound there is a methyl isocyanate CONHCH3. How they are hydrogen in this reacting the compound containing the carbofuran. Next, move on to the simple synthesis of carbofuran directly on the synthesis by using the fused ring with the furan by using methyl cyanato group with enhancing tertiary amine to cause the carbofuran. And also in this synthesis we are taken methyl isocyanate method and non-methyl isocyanate methods are there. Two methods are using for the preparation of a carbofuran. So what are the mode of actions? Carbaryl and carbofuran, methyl, aldecarb and bendiocarb characteristics and use of persistence in plant, soil and water. Carbamates are derivatives esters of carbamic acid. Several carbamates are systematic transported in the xylem. So it's very important. The carbamates are systematic transported in the pesticide from the root of xylem. Xylem is a process, the transfer of water through the all parts of the body in the plants. It is possible to control the pests on shoots and root which are otherwise difficult to reach. Hence, they are used as soil insecticide and nematicides. Aldecarb and carbofuran, oxamil, etc. The commercial products available are grouped into three groups mainly on N, dimethyl carbamate of enols and hydroxy group, hydroxy phosphocarbamates or phosphocarbamates and oxine carbamate, widely used as they are more degradable than organophosphates. They have lower dermal toxicity, mostly absorbed via inhalation or ingestion. Here it is. So carbaryl used the more degradable than organophosphates. They have low dermal toxicity. Dermal means there is no skin toxicity. It is a less toxicity about the skin, mostly absorbed via inhalation or ingestion on animal, plants. Whenever it is slightly go through the inhalation through the hair, and mainly it is in the plants like xylem. It transferred the pesticide through the xylem, root, shoot, etc. So next move on to the uses. What are the uses of carbofuran? It is a systematic broad spectrum insecticide, which means that the plant absorb it through the roots and from here the plant distributes it throughout its organs where insecticidal concentrations are attained. It has been used in various parts of the world for controlling the pests of sugar, cane, potatoes, corn, soybean, sugar beet, maize, rice and coffee, etc. In the case of rice, it has been added a paddy water to control leafhopper. So grasshopper, it's a family of leafhopper. So it is mainly affected in the paddy field nowadays it can be paddy field, it can cut the neck of the paddy, and nowadays it is a highly dangerous to the lithoper group. The carbofuran has also a caricidal action. The carbofuran can kill the nematodes and other root worms. It also used to control insects in soils, and carbofuran acts as contact poisons to the pests. So thank you for watching. Thank you.